Today on 21st Century Television.
Explore state-of-the-art technology, innovative business strategies, insights from cutting-edge corporations around the globe. A visionary look into the answers of tomorrow, today. Business leaders, business solutions.
21st Century Television.
It can be difficult for companies to arrive at an informed decision and establish best practices prior to making potentially large investments in change. Once a year, business analysts, consultants, innovation managers, and engineers meet at the AnyLogic Annual Conference to share information on simulation-based solutions they have created to face their business challenges.
The conference is very surprisingly good, and all the organizations is very nice. And it's very nice to meet all these other users of the same software. So we're facing the same challenge as well. We're all very excited about the new features coming with the AnyLogic 7.
I've been able to make lots of great new contacts with people from business and from academics, learning and exchanging ideas, talking about different simulation approaches, how to teach it, how to apply it in different ways, help some people out with some coding problems, so it's been great networking and meeting new people.
There's been quite a lot of presentations here about how to implement AnyLogic. At a lot of other conferences, there's a lot more talk about the problem you were solving. You don't get to see a lot of the code. So here it was quite nice to actually see the code, talk about modeling style, talk about presentation style, that sort of thing.
AnyLogic software allows customers to model their current processes, simulate what-if scenarios, run experiments, and create solutions to their business challenges before spending the first dime investing in change.
10 years ago, AnyLogic was what I'd call the only industrial strength product that had a hope of doing both system dynamics, agent-based, and discrete event in one package. As best I can tell, it's still the only package that has that capability. And as we do more, especially in the realm of agent-based models, there are some open source tools, but none of them have anything close to the functionality that AnyLogic does.
AnyLogic is the only multi-method simulation software tool that enables customers to address a wide range of problems, from supply chain and logistics to market analysis and manufacturing.
In the world that we live in, most people are used to discrete event simulation and, to a lesser extent, system dynamics. I'm a firm believer that the way forward is agent-based. So the reason we're using AnyLogic, for one extra reason, is that we can do all three together. We can develop a normal solution, if I can call it that, in discrete event simulation and in system dynamics, and then show that agent-based modeling gives a much better representation.
There's a lot of interesting talks, a lot of people applying AnyLogic in a lot of unique and interesting ways. The one that I really am enjoying the most is all the use of agent-based modeling and how we're able to start to answer really complex and challenging hard problems that really, when you talk about big data space, all the complexities of the modern world, I really believe agent-based modeling is the future, and it's great that where I have so many great talks about how to use agent-based modeling to find interesting emergent behaviors.
AnyLogic is a leading provider of dynamic simulation tools, technologies, and consulting services for business applications, helping their customers to reduce risk and establish best practices before going live. Join business leaders and worldwide industry experts at this year's AnyLogic Conference for thought-provoking discussions on utilizing simulation across your entire business lifecycle. For more information, visit the AnyLogic website at www.anylogic.com.